हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन नेशनल हीरो डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खान। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। ग्रेट पीपल ऑलवेज ग्रेट। They possess some extraordinary quality that makes their personality favorite and ideal. Generally speaking, great people are great servers and saviors of mankind. They impress others with their unmatched ideas and works. Every person has favorite or ideal persons whom he respects, loves and worships. My favorite person is the world famous Pakistani scientist Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. His personality serves as a beacon light for my life. I always idolize Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan as my favorite personality. I like his services, his ideas and his determination. He achieved the remarkable landmarks in the history of science, especially atomic energy. Dr. Qadir Khan was born on April 1, 1936 in Bhopal, India. He was the youngest and the most beloved child of his parents. He was born to an educated family. He received his early education at Ganwari Primary School. He did his matriculation from Hamidia High School, that was the most distinguished educational institution. Qadir Khan had great interest in studies. He was very intelligent student. Reading was his favorite hobby, while physics was his favorite subject. As a student, he was determined to become an engineer or a scientist. He was a promising youth. The foundations were laid at the beginning. His teacher Raza Khan was a very disciplined and scholarly figure. His physical appearance is quite impressive. His eyes and hair are black. Qadir Khan is a great patriot. As a child, he had such a good training that he developed into a good Muslim and a great human being. He always wished and planned to serve others. As a Muslim, he believes in the religion of humanity. He can never see others suffering. He possesses optimistic ideas about life. The greatest service of Dr. Qadir Khan is as a scientist. In the reign of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, he was asked to come to Pakistan and do something for its atomic power. At that time, he was in Holland. He was serving there at a very well reputed scientific and research institute. But for the nation's sake, he left it and come to Pakistan. Since then, Pakistan has never looked back. He always considered defense top priority. Conclusion: in the end, I can say that the character, services and achievements of Dr. Qadir Khan are simply amazing. I believe that great people are a model to be idolized and followed. तो दोस्तों ये था ऐसे ऑन माय फेवरेट हीरो डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खान। दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी पार्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊं तो कमेंट के थ्रू बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।